start drinking, I'll shop first round. Dance all night to a favorite sound. Make our own fun in this little Seatown. Walk the streets until we hit the shore. Go out skinny dipping at 4:45. Take the taxi cab to my back door. In this life we're living, could we want for more? Yeah, say you won't leave, but I'm begging you to stay. But no, you won't have it any other way. So I guess there's nothing that I could say except that, baby, when you're gone, I'll keep loving you every day. Picnic by the beach, mid-afternoon. Sandwiches and lemonade, a dinner for two. You ask me when we've eaten, what shall we do? I tell you, we'll whisper secrets and snuggle in the dunes. We could stay up late watching junk TV. Get the living room jumping with all your CDs. Cool it down out in a summer breeze as we kick it on the porch to the sound of the sea. Yeah, you say you won't leave, but I'm begging you to stay. But no, you won't have it any other way. So I guess there's nothing that I could say except that, baby, when you're gone, I'll keep loving you every day. Loving begin. Take our time, skin on skin. When it's over, I'll say with a grin,